Hi everyone, I'm Nikita from Homelayers. Welcome to Mayora. Salon on the first, apparel on the second. When the client approached me for this space, we wanted to create an environment that just didn't look beautiful, but felt like an absolute escape. Let me show you around. Right away, you'll notice we left the ceiling completely exposed. Covering it would have lowered the height and made the space feel boxed in. By keeping it open and painting it dark, we created this edgy industrial canvas that makes everything below it pop. And speaking of the popping, the chandelier. I wanted a massive statement piece that feels like a glowing canopy of leaves, bringing in the touch of nature the moment you walk in through the door. A hair salon needs a feel grounding, which is why we ditched the sterile clinical white and drenched the entire space into warm earthy tones. But creating the seamless look wasn't easy, for which we chose the epoxy flooring for its flawless reflective finish. But we ran into a massive hurdle during the pour. The temperature dropped, causing it to cure unevenly. We had to re-level and buff it out. It was a headache, but the final result, totally worth it. Now let's talk about amoeba-shaped niches. I wanted organic fluid lines instead of rigid shells. You know what? Getting a contractors to cut the gypsum with this perfect continuous curves without snapping the half cuts, it took incredible precision and a lot of time to get these edges this smooth. Lighting in a salon is everything, meaning it has to be functional for the stylist and flattering for the client. We layered the lighting throughout the room, but the real hero are those track lights up top. Keeping the ceiling exposed allowed us to use flexible track system, meaning we can precisely spotlight styling chairs, display walls without blinding anyone in the mirror. As we move to the wash station, you'll notice there's a step up. From a design perspective, it physically separates the active styling zone from the relaxed treatment zone, making it to feel like a distinct room. Practically, it also allows us to brilliantly manage the plumbing required for the head spa. For styling area, we kept the lines clean. We brought in warmth through brass accents. And the arched mirror echoes the architectural arches you'll see throughout the space. And you know what? These sconces provide incredibly soft, flattering light that every client requires whenever they see into the mirror. Finally, the arched hallway. This is the favorite part of my journey. The repeated arches pull your eyes away all the way down, creating a tonal effect that naturally guides clients from the active spa space into the quiet private treatment rooms. This is the perfect transition from massive construction hurdle to the tiniest lighting detail. Bringing this space to life was an incredible journey. Thanks for touring with me. Follow Homelayers for more. Bye!